OpenClaw is trending right now and everyone wants to get their own AI assistant. But the issue with OpenClaw is it's CLI based and it has a bad user interface. And that too will run on the VPS in which you are running OpenClaw or the Mac Mini. So to fix that, I've built this clawboard where you can connect your OpenClaw instance and you have this beautiful UI, which is very much comparable to the UI they provide, but it's much better than theirs because you can create all these sessions and each session is a different chat, just like you would do in ChatGPT or Claude. And on top of that, I've also integrated Tambo in it. So all your responses will now be with the generative UI. So whatever you'll ask, it will generate the UI for it in real time and show it into the chatbot itself. So let me just give you a quick demo. So here is all your chat history, all of that. You can open my chat history, but let me just show you a new chat. So first, let's show a normal chat. So this is just a normal text message. It will go to the OpenClaw and it will send back a response. Then I'll also show you a one with a generative UI so that you can see Tambo in action. So this one is very normal one. It just gave back plain text and response. Now let me show you an example in which we'll have a bit of generative UI. So not localhost, but wait, let's just do this one, a simple question. And for this one, instead of just showing me this text, it will actually render me this table. This is being done using Tambo, and I'm using my own API keys for this one. Yeah, instead of just plain text, it will just show me rendered UI, generative UI, and it can do for any use case. Apart from this, we have settings where you can add your VPS gateway URL. I'm using Tailscale for this, and your token, and also a Tambo API key. So you can log into the platform, and you first have to set up this. We have everything else too. You can set up cron jobs for your OpenClaw. We have logs if you want to debug anything. We have this log, and then all the sessions that are going on. Yeah, and you can also see how much tokens you consumed and all that in a very beautiful UI. And it's generative UI using Tambo. So this is the whole product. I'll launch it separately too, apart from this hackathon, because this is very good. I've been using OpenClaw from my Telegram, and it's a horrible experience because it's text only mostly, and all the images it will send you by generating, not in a UI form like you can do here on Clawboard. So this was the whole project. In short, it is a better UI for your OpenClaw instances, better and secure, and also it has generative UI thanks to Tambo that I built for this hackathon in 2 days. Apart from this, if we talk about the architecture, then it's very simple. You have your OpenClaw running in the VPS, and you just have to install Tailscale into that VPS, and you get that URL and your token. So you take that URL and token, and you just add it here. This is the Next.js app, completely built in Next.js. So with AI SDK, you take that token and your gateway URL and you'll put it here. After that, you're good to go. You can do anything with the OpenClaw instance.